All right. Well, I wanted to start this playlist by just sharing briefly about how Clarity is different, right? And certainly there's a lot of permit systems out there. So how are we different? First off, and something we'll be speaking through more in section 2 and 3, is our front end guide and application portal. Everyone talks about wanting a system that is user friendly on the front end. Clarity is very user friendly. In fact, allowing your residents to answer their own questions even before they're ready to apply for a permit. And we'll go into that more in another section. But another thing we offer you is improved levels of communication. No city or county wants to hear what's the status of my permit over and over again. No city or county wants to have side communications that are stored in someone's email, but allow conversations to happen internal in the app and saved within that permit. And we'll talk more about that in section 4. But another big one, especially for small to mid-sized municipalities, is the freedom to control their system. Nothing's worse than a city or county that needs to make a change due to building code changes, fee structure changes, whatever, and being told, okay, it's going to be a few days, a few weeks. I've even heard a few months before we can get to that. How about a system with no coding, where we do train certain individuals within the city or county on how to work the back end of the system. And now they can have the access to the back end, make those changes in a matter of minutes versus having to call anyone, giving you back that control. We also have no modules. So when you purchase our system, uh, planning and zoning permits, building permits, special event permits, business licensing, dog licenses if you want it. Code enforcement is all included, and all the functionality that we have works for all those modules. And I'll be talking about that more as well. The next really big thing, if you're looking for a new system, is the idea of continued innovation, not buying a new system that's old, right? That doesn't come up with innovation, but is more just trying to not break, right? Has continued innovation. One great example is our guide, but another powerful innovation we just rolled out is the idea of community templates. Imagine now the ability from internal in your system to now to be able to see all the various permit or code enforcement or license types that other users of Clarity have implemented, and to be able to use that as ideas on ways of improving your processes, or if you like the process that's already been built, to be able to literally click on it, clone it, and bring it over into your system. So really kind of state of the art stuff that could really change the way your implementation, but also the growth of your permit system can work on your system. And then finally, which is another very important part that people don't realize until they've moved ahead with a system and realize it can't be set up the way their processes work. They have to change their processes. Do not find yourself in that situation. With Clarity, our system can be configured to your needs and not the other way around.